Hello grade 8 and welcome to another mathematics lesson. This is the second segment of working with money, right? So right now we're going to be dealing with interest, more specifically simple interest and value added tax. Here we go. So the important formula that you need to know is the simple interest formula. To calculate the amount of simple interest specifically, you say SI is equal to PRT over 100, where P is the principal amount or the original amount that was taken or the initial amount, R is the rate as a whole number or as a decimal, right, but not divided by 100. T is the time period in years, right? So you can say SI is equal to PIT over 100, where I is R over 100. So if you are given a rate of 10%, it's going I is 10 over 100, which is 0.1. If you are asked to calculate the accumulated balance at the end of the time period, use the formula A is equal to P plus SI, where A is the accumulated amount, P is the principal amount, and SI is the amount of simple interest. Now this is VAT calculations, right? When you are asked to calculate the price excluding VAT or the original price, it is the given price divided by 115%. If you are asked to calculate the price including VAT, it is the given price times 115%, okay? Just know one and you know that the other is the reverse. So I would know that if you are asked to calculate the price excluding VAT or the original amount, it is the given price divided by 115%. Please take this down. I modified it from seavula.com. So number 1 states, what do we call the amount that is paid at a given rate for the use of borrowed money? That amount is called interest. Alright. Number 2 states, Disebo borrows 8,500 rand from Mafeteng Bank at 17% simple interest for 1 year. Roman numeral number 1 states, calculate the interest charged on the borrowed money. So, this 8,500 is principal amount, right? Now I prefer you use I. So I is 17%, which is 17 over 100, which is 0.17. N is 1 year. Right? So simple interest is P times I times T, which is P is 8,500 rands times 0.17 times 1 So the amount of simple interest is 1,445. Okay, I hope that is clear enough. Roman numeral number 2 states, what is the total amount that she will pay to the bank? So please remember, P is 8,500 rand. Simple interest is 1,445. That's the formula. P is 8,500 rands. 1,445. And I'm getting 9,945. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Number 3 states, what do we call the amount of money borrowed from a bank and repaid with interest? So the full amount that is borrowed from a bank and repaid with interest is called a loan. Okay. Number 4 states, Sibonelo invests 10,000 rand for 2 years at 7.5% simple interest. 4.1 states, what will the value of his investment be at the end of the 2-year period? P is 10,000 rand. So I is 7.5 over 100, which is 0.075. N is 2 years. Okay. So we need to calculate the full value. So simple interest P times I times T. 10,000 rand times 0.075 times 2. 1,500 rand. Now it states the value of his investment, right, at the end of the 2-year period. So the value is the full amount, which is 10,000 rand. I'm getting 11,500 rands. Okay, I hope that's clear enough. So at 4.2 states, at the end of the 2-year period, Sibonelo does not withdraw the invested money or the interest earned, but reinvest it for another year. Then the question states, how much will it be worth at the end of the year? So now things have changed, right? This becomes P. So P is 11,500 rand. N is 1 year. I remains the same, 0.075. Okay. Okay, first to calculate a simple interest. R11,500. I'm getting 862.50. Even though it says 5 on your computer, please note that currency money is to 2 decimal places. Okay. Now accumulated amount P plus SI 11,500 rand, 862 rands and 50 cents. I'm getting 12,362 and 50 cents. Okay, I hope that wasn't too challenging. Number 5 states, what do we call the amount of money added to the price of goods which goes to the government? Please remember that money is called value added tax, abbreviated VAT. Number 6 states, Jocelyn owns a jewelry shop. The price of a silver necklace excluding value added tax or VAT is 200 rands. What is the price including 15% VAT? So please remember, price excluding VAT is the original price. £200, right? So the formula that states price with VAT original price times 150%. So which is original price is 200 rand times 115% is 115 over 100. This 0 cancels this 0, cancels this 0. So 2 rand times 115, 230 rands. So the price with VAT is 230 rands. Number 7 states, Mutlatsi makes leather shoes in his shop. The price of one pair of his shoes is 270 rands, including 15% VAT. What is the original price of the shoes excluding VAT? Okay, so price with VAT, which we are told is 15%, is 270. Now we need to calculate original price or price excluding VAT. So price without VAT is given price divided by 115%. So it is going to be, what is the given price? 270 divided by 270 rands times this 100 goes on top over 115. Okay, I'm getting 234 rands, 7826 08 like that. So therefore, remember I set 2 decimal places. Price without VAT $234.78. Number 8 states, Tamlin buys a makeup kit for 150 rands VAT inclusive. What is the price with no VAT? So here we are told that the price with VAT is 150 rands. Right? Calculate the price with no VAT. So price with no VAT is given price divided by 150%. The given price is 150 rands divided by 115 over 150 rands times 100 over 115. I am getting 130 4347 826. Remember, money is to 2 decimal places. Okay, so the price with no VAT $130.43. Okay, I hope that is clear enough, and I hope that wasn't too challenging. Forgive my unsteady hand. Alright, so if you found this video helpful in any way, Please click the like button and subscribe for more content. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you again.